Good morning, children. I, Mrs. S. Ojha, am teaching you computer. This is your computer book. In your book, there are 9 chapters. Today, I am going to take first chapter, that is Microsoft PowerPoint, Animation and Transition. Before starting, I would like to ask about your previous computer classes. I hope you have learned PowerPoint in previous class. In that class, there was my PowerPoint, how to open the PowerPoint, how to give the PowerPoint effects. But in this class, I am going to give you an introduction about animation and transition. What is animation? Kinds of animation effect. They are entrance animation effect, emphasis animation effect, exit animation effect, motion path animation, and so many more topics I will discuss with you. So just see all the topics by the slides, and I will also give you practical work in this class. End of the chapter, you have to make a computer copy, that is interleave copy, and you have to do all the work in your copy. Okay, children? So let's see the slides. What is animation? Why we use animation? Now start. What is PowerPoint? PowerPoint is an application software of Microsoft Office package. It is used to make presentation that looks professional, effective, effect to the simple plain text and pictures. So your first topic is animation. What is animation? Animation is simulation of continuous series of pictures, or you can say animation is a method in which figures are manipulated to appear as moving images. You can animate the text, pictures, shapes, tables, smart art, graphics, and other objects in your PowerPoint presentation. So, we can give animation to any kind of object. We can give animation to chart, Excel sheets, cliparts picture, from file picture, or other object. Children, I have chose a shape from insert menu, that is star shape. I have given some animation effect like entrance, emphasis, exit and motion path. So just see one effect, second effect, grow and shrink is a third effect, fly in is a fourth effect. Star is rotating over the screen, that is motion path effect. I have chosen another picture from clipart and I have given animation effect like this. See, okay, rotate effect. See. Types of animation effect. There are 4 types of animation effect: move, entrance effect, emphasis effect, exit effect, motion path animation effect, and all having more option. See, entrance having different kinds of effect like appear, fade, fly in, float in, split, wipe, wheel, random, grow and turn, zoom, and so on. Same here, emphasis have different effect: pulse, color, pulse, spin, grow and shrink, and so on. Exit have a different kind of effect: disappear, fade, fly out, float out, split, wipe, and so on. Last one is motion path. Motion path, why we use the motion path? Motion path is used to exist the object over the screen in form of motion. Means if you give the circular motion path, then object circulate over the screen. If you give the arch, then our object move in form of arch shape. If you give the loops effect in motion path, then object frame loop over the screen. Entrance effect is used to stay the object on the slide. Then emphasis effect is used to stayed object on the slide. And exit, when the object leave the slide, then exit effect is used. See how to apply animation to an object. Step 1, select the object or text you want to animate. Second, select animation and choose an animation. Third, select option and choose an effect. And fourth, manage animation and effect. Means you can give the animation setting from add animation effect, entrance, emphasis, exit, and motion, all the effect. Children, in next class I will give you some other topic like how to add animation effect to an object or shapes, give animation effect to picture from clipart, give animation effect to the text, how to make the slide, how to make the presentation, and so many other topics. Many other topics remaining in your book like saving animation, opening existing presentation and reorder the animation effect. Means you can change the ordering of animation effect. You can change the last slide in the first place and first slide in the last place by the reorder animation. So I hope you will learn all these things. Children, you have to make a copy for computer that is interleaved 2 lines ruled copy. Okay.